Hello everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on learning our first kick or front kick. Everybody say front kick.
Front kick, sir.
In Korean, up, cha, ki.
Up, cha, ki, sir.
One more time, up,
Up,
cha,
cha,
ki.
ki.
Front kick. Good. So all of our kicks have 3 basic steps. The loading portion, which means your knee is going to come up. So as your knee comes up, this is always your loading position. Kicks should never, we only have a few kicks that don't have a proper load. The second is the actual kicking action. So you're going to extend the leg and kick out. Good. So he's hitting with the ball of his foot and his toes are facing upwards. And the third is the recoil, where he wants to start where he did. In case that kick wasn't successful, he wants to be able to throw another kick right behind it. And then of course, if it was, he can put his foot down. So, ready? Let's practice it 2 more times with the directions. Load, extend, recoil, put down. Load, extend, recoil, put down. Good. Now let's see some on the back. Hi! Hey! Notice how he's kicking forward, not swinging his leg upwards. Hi! Hey! Good, and reset. And that is our front kick or upchagi in Korean. Practice what you learned, make it rock.